Welcome to this instructional video from Middlebury Libraries. This video will show you how to access and begin using the PsycINFO database. PsycINFO is a subject-specific database containing citations to journal articles focused on the psychology discipline. It can help you be confident you are finding the most current and relevant scholarly articles on topics related to your psychology research. Because it is focused on psychology, PsycINFO contains search filters specific to the discipline, making it much easier to refine your results with specific methodologies, age groups, and more. However, you should keep in mind that PsycINFO is an index database, which means not everything in the results list will have full text availability and may require you to request access from the library. So, start your research early. To enter PsycINFO, remember that there are subject-specific research guides to help you get to the most relevant library resources. The Psychology Research Guide can be found at go.middlebury.edu/psychguide. When you are at the guide, you will see a link to PsycINFO right on the front page. There is also a link in the description to a useful quick reference guide. Before I click on PsycINFO, I want to show you my contact information. Hi, I'm Loxamy Cave, and I'm the librarian for psychology. I often meet with students in psychology classes. When you are working on research assignments and would like help navigating the library resources, feel free to use these buttons to email me or schedule a meeting with me. I'm happy to help you refine your research topics, choose the best keywords, search relevant resources, and cite your sources. Now, let's click on that PsycINFO link. If you are off campus, you may be asked to enter your username and password to prove you are affiliated with Middlebury. These are the same credentials as your Middlebury email. Now you're in PsycINFO. I'll enter a few search terms to demonstrate. Let's say you're wondering if there's a link between video games and violent behavior. So I enter the keywords video games and violence in the search box. I don't worry too much about the first words that I try because I always go back and revise my search based on what I see in the results. If you click All Filters across the top, a menu will appear with filters specific to PsycINFO. These filters are some of the specific tools that make PsycINFO so powerful. The filters are highlighted in the quick reference guide I mentioned earlier. Practice using these filters to see how your results change. The one filter you will almost always want to use is this one. Peer reviewed. Not sure what peer review is? Come ask me about it. And that's how to get started on PsycINFO. Start at the Middlebury Library Psychology Guide, click the PsycINFO database link, enter a few search terms, and start practicing. The more you use the tool, the more confident you will be. And remember, you can contact me with any questions. I look forward to meeting you.